Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you exactly how to set up conversion tracking step by step, and more importantly how to track the conversions that actually make you money. By the end of this video you will know what conversion tracking actually is, the three types of conversion you must track, and how to set up everything correctly inside Google Ads. So now this is the interface of Google Ads. You go to ads.google.com and you come over here where it says goals. In conversion, you click on summary, and when you click on summary, you're going to find this. You click on set conversion action. Clicking that, you can see what popped up. Conversion on a website, conversion on an app, conversion from phone calls, calls from app, calls from website visits, calls via upload, conversions offline. This has to do with your CRM. So conversion outside of the internet measured by connecting data in a CRM, importing a file, or with the Google Ads API. So now let's start with conversion on the website. I have my website connected already, but I'll just show you how you can connect it so you can have your Google tag on your website. So let's click on edit data source. Let me edit this website. Let's put it as this. I'll click on scan. Now you see Google tag, click on setup. Then you have this code. If you are not technical, then a technical person in your team have to do this. But if you use a CRM like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, you can just come over here and just click install with CRM and click next. So you can see the different options we have. Let's say select your platform. Let's click on WordPress. I have WordPress, so I could show you that as well. So it's pretty much easy. So you copy your tag. This is your tag ID, which you need to copy. Then afterwards, you go to your WordPress. From plugins, you search for it and you download. After downloading it, you install it as well. So this is a step-by-step guide for you to follow. And after which you've done that, you can just test installation. So let's go to WordPress and just show you. So you come over to plugins, then if you're going to be downloading it fresh, then you go to add plugin. Then you search for it. If you don't have it, you click on download. After downloading it, then you click on activate. So when you activate it, it's going to show like this, and it's going to come on your website like this. Then straight up, you go to settings, you click on settings. I have this set up already. But when you click on it, it's the same with the guide there. You can just follow it. Then you can come here. So let's say you want to connect ads and yours is not showing in this section. You just come to connect more services. Click here. Then you connect it. You connect. And after connecting, everything is going to appear just like this. It's the same. It's actually the same as the guide here. I just showed you like on the website. Then you click on test installation. That's all. After clicking on test installation, you click done and your website will appear just like this. So now let's assume you have this, you've installed it. Then you just easily click on save and continue. And now I'm going to show you how to track conversion, not just when someone stumbles on your website. So I'm going to show you how to track the lead when it has been confirmed. So let's say this is the website. This is a website. Someone stumble. We're not going to be calculating just this link. You're supposed to have like a dedicated page that shows that when someone submitted, you know, okay, this person submitted, not just this person came to my website. So if I'm tracking search data, it just shows that, okay, on my ad, someone came to this URL. But you need to have a dedicated URL that shows that this person actually converted. So let's go to get a free strategy. Let's put this, let's put this, let's name as V, subject as F, then message, please just help me submit. So now this shows that someone actually submitted the form. So this is what we'll be calculating. So when there's a conversion on this URL, it shows that someone actually submitted the form. So this is what you should track, a dedicated URL, not just the landing page or your own page. Let's go back. Let's see all. We'll go to view page. So let's click on view page. Click on create conversion. Then your website will pop up here, like from the setup you did. You click here, and we have two options. Create a conversion. You can create a conversion in two ways: manually, if you are comfortable adding code to your website, or automatically by providing the website URL. So let's go to automatic, and let's leave it as this. Page load URL starts with, let's go with URL contain. So we're just going to paste this as a thank you page. Conversion settings, primary action. So we're just going to leave everything the same, and we'll click on done. Then we'll click on save and continue. Click on finish, and yes, you're actually done with setting it up. So now it's showing inactive. Let's see. We haven't verified your tag yet, which usually takes up to 3 hours after someone visits your page containing the tag. To help speed this up, you can visit the page to trigger the tag. So you can either troubleshoot or just wait. After 3 hours, this will show active. And next, I would show you how to track calls on your ads. But before that, let's double shoot. So continue. Let's confirm if this is actually working. Connect. We're supposed to have like a tag assistant pop up. So let's wait for a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, now we have the tag assistant. Let's go to get the free strategy. Let's see. Let's just do this. The tag assistant is supposed to pop up as well. Let's submit. Now we've submitted this. Let's see if the pop-up assistant will appear. Yes, it appeared. So you can see, navigate to your site to test other conversion action, or click finish to end the season. So let's click on finish. So this conversion action is sending data to Google Ads. So it shows that this is actually working. So if someone fills out the form, you actually get notified. You know that, okay, this is actually one conversion. So close tag assistant. Let's leave this. Let's go back. So it's working. Now let's also set up conversion action. Let's set another conversion action. Yes, this. So let's do this. Calls from ads, calls from website visit, calls via upload. Save and continue. Phone call lead. So you can have calls from ads. So it means your number on your Google Ads. Once someone dial it, Google actually track that. Google actually track this. You can also as well put calls from your website visit. So these are two options. Someone calls a number shown on your website, request a Google forwarding number. Someone makes a call by clicking a number on your website. So let's go for this. Now for this, you would type in your number. So let's say you have your number on your website. For me, I actually don't have a number on the on my website. So, but let's assume you have number on your website. So you can just type it, and your location, you're in the United States. So let's just leave it as this. Um, let's just type the same number: 015550 Let's say this is your number. Copy this as well and put and use events. Save and continue. And you click on finish. So now we have two things set up. We have this calls from your ads, and we have when someone submits a form. So this is how you can track conversions from your Google ads. So do this and everything will be good. And thank you for watching the video. Follow for more content on Google ads, on social media marketing and everything. So subscribe for more